Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with essentials: a signed-in Roblox account, stable connection, and IQ Obby loaded. Once done, spawn into the lobby and locate the IQ terminal. Move quickly. Use WASD or joystick to reach the testing kiosk and interact by pressing the prompt key. Make sure to accept the brief tutorial pop-up. It reveals the exact timing mechanic used for the one Google IQ challenge. From here, position your avatar so you won't fall during the first quick platforming sequence. Now you focus on timing. Observe the moving platforms for 2 to 3 cycles so you learn the rhythm. Once comfortable, start the run. Use short taps to perform micro jumps that land centered on small platforms and adjust camera angle slightly down to judge depth. Make sure to pick up IQ tokens along the path because each token nudges your score closer to one Google IQ. If an obstacle resets you, rewind and replicate the exact timing. Consistency wins here. Finish by executing the final precision jump onto the terminal platform and interact to submit your run. Once done, watch the score pop up to confirm one Google IQ. If the score isn't registered immediately, make sure you actually press the submit prompt. Sometimes it needs a deliberate click. If problems persist, relog to the game, clear temporary files, and retry the sequence with the same timing, because desync or lag is the usual culprit, and redoing the exact run typically fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.